welcome to our first Disney cruise vlog. Today is embarkation day when we board our ship. We are currently at the hotel, the Harbor House at Pier 21 in Galveston, Texas, and we are just finishing up packing the last bits of our stuff. I just got ready, I did my hair, and I have my cruise mini ears on. We have our girls dressed up in their cute Mickey Minnie gear. We have matching shirts. This one says Mommy, and then 2023. Everly says, whoa, that's Penny. Hold on. Hers is under here. Yeah, but Daddy's in the bathroom, and we're just gonna get ready and head out soon. We're gonna go on the shuttle, and they're gonna take us over to the cruise terminal. But I'll show you the view outside our window right now. This is the view from outside our hotel room. We're right by the pier. We saw a couple of cruise ships come and go. I see our cruise ship. Let's go. We're going. Everybody say hi. I'm boarding. What? Look, it's Minnie! Everly, it's Minnie! She's saying hi to everyone!
Hello.
Hi!
What is your family name?
Pack?
Pack. Disneymagic, please welcome aboard the Pack Family!
Hi! Minnie, where are we?
I think Nikki's busy right now.
Yeah.
Please welcome aboard the whole family.
Maybe you come to one kids club, to another, to color. Tatiana? This is the secret passageway to the other kids club. That's the secret passageway to the other kids club. Look, it's funny! Look!
Thank you.
You did good.
See you guys later. Nice handshake at the end.
See some of our bags here.
Hi, welcome on board. Princess, welcome on board.
Thank you.
Welcome on board, sir.
Alright, we just got into our room. Hi, Penny. We see the famous 2 bathrooms and the tub. Penny, come here. It's so bright. This is our bed. Cabinets. Hello, Evie. And it says, oh, what happened to the TV? This is the vanity area and the very bright sport window. A dream is a wish your heart makes. This is a good overview. It's a decent amount of space. This changes into a bed and it has a pull-down bunk bed. It looks like up here. Yes, Penny? Yes? Oh, that's the fridge. It's this way. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there.
wrapping.
Can we stand on?
Look at you guys.
Can we stand
This
on
is the view.
table?
You can stand on the, I would stay on the table. The table's not gonna be stable.
Penny. Hi.
Everything.
We were a little bit hungry, and so we got some hot dogs and a brat for hubby. We're just gonna unwind a little bit before we head over to our 5:45 dining. Today's dining is at Lumiere's. Okay, somebody's hungry. We just got into our room. Yeah, hold on. We hit up the store, the shop, and we got these squeeze toys for Penny for bath time. Here. And we have our first towel animal.
Mommy.
Yes, Penny. Okay, let's go.
Open this.
Open this? Okay, go over there. I think it's a penguin. But our room host had already set up everything. The girls have their bunks. And we requested a railing for Penny, so this is great. Everly loves her bunk.
Mommy.
Yes, Penny.
Okay, open this.
Can you say please?
Please.
Okay.